We're here at the SEMA convention in Las Vegas, Nevada, the 2009 version. We're here at the Interpulse booth where we are displaying the Pulsar technology, and primarily we're here with David Joner of Eco Motors, proudly displaying the prototype that David will be marketing to the country next year. And I'd like to turn this over to David at this time and let him talk about how Pulsar and Eco Motors and the birth of Eco Motors is just, how did it all happen, David?
Well, it happened several years ago. To make a long story short, it was started as a family type project, a summer project, and now we're coming to fruition. With dealing with everything that we have with aerodynamics and so forth, we were able to get great gas economy, but then once we learned all about the Pulsar plug and everything else and how that's going to help increase our gas economy, we should actually be probably one of the highest gas economy vehicles out there on or in the U.S., if not the planet, that runs on regular petroleum gas.
And you've already started your marketing effort. I understand that you have dealer networks starting to set up around the country. Is there any way people can get involved in this?
Yes, actually we do have several dealers around the nation. If somebody is looking to become a dealer who wants to be able to bring out the new shape of the future, they can actually go to our website at ecomotorcompany.com and also do an info@ecomotorcompany.com, and that'll come over to us, and I'll either have one of our nationals or one of our regional managers talk with that person and see if it would work. As a consumer, they can actually go online and become one of the several thousands that we already have on pre-order for a reservation fee of $100, which will allow them to be put into the line. They get to pick their color and their transmission, since the car comes standard with full convertible top with a zip-out rear window, power windows, power locks, air conditioning, heat, tilt wheel, AM, FM, MP3 player, all standard features, plus also including safety from dynamic side impact beams, crumple zones, breakaway motor mounts, dual airbags, all the safety features that we're all accustomed to today in our marketplace. With that, we can then, with all the ads and everything else, they're able to personalize their vehicle more than they would ever imagine.
One of the things that I found real interesting in talking to you was that this particular vehicle qualifies for the HV lane in California, even with two people in the car. That's
actually
pretty slick.
With one person in the car.
Oh, with just one person in the car.
Yes, because we are classified as a motorcycle by the Department of Transportation, because we are three wheels. We are actually classified as a reverse trike. One in the back, two in the front. Being that we're front wheel drive, front wheel steering, we actually classify as a motorcycle. So now the HOV lane is available with one person in it.
Now that's exciting.
Yes, well, that's the one thing in life that we can never get back. If you drop a $100 bill on the ground, you can always find another one. Well, one thing you can never get back is time. So take that 2-hour-long commute and turn it into a happy, fun 30-minute commute.
There you go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're here at Pulsar with David Joner, and we'd like you all to see the EMC3 that will be available at your local dealer sometime in 2010. Gentlemen, I thank you.
That was good. That was good. Yeah.